What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys and demonstrating how to perform the GM knock sensor TSB. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The reason these have issues is they do rust out, and the reason they rust out is because they go down into this recession here, and what happens is water leaks into the cavity, causing a puddle of water to pool up, which makes this get rusted. So GM was aware of this issue, and they put out a TSB to remedy this issue they were having with this knock sensors. And according to the TSB, this condition is more apparent in vehicles in which customers frequently wash their engine compartment, leading to this corrosion. So customers that hose down their engine bay are more than likely to experience this knock sensor issue, because they will get water pulled down into the cavities where the knock sensor goes installed into. Now before you go install your knock sensor harness, you want to inspect it. Make sure it's not burnt or nothing like this one is here. If it looks like this, little burnt here in areas, you will want to replace it. So this one will be getting replaced with a brand new one. You're going to want to apply some RTV and seal this up with the grommet to prevent moisture or water from getting in. But the TSB specifies to not form a complete circle, leave a space open in the rear. So you want to connect the one in the rear first. I like to apply some RTV right on the edge and just leave a spot open, and wherever you leave the gap, that's the spot that's going to face towards the rear.